Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. Alright, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Hi guys, I'm back with another Dashing Diva nail strips. I said it right this time. I usually call them nail stickers. Nail strips. I am obsessed with these nail strips. I actually like them better than press-ons because they don't pop off like press-ons do, girl, and I don't have to worry about carrying a little extra glue in my purse. Like, these just last me, okay? These are actually Valentine's Day, so that means they're on sale now because Valentine's Day was quite a while ago. So these are called GS213 Girl Gang. That doesn't say gang, but it's girl gang. These are absolutely cute. These have been on for, I want to say, like a week, 2 weeks. It depends on how fast your nails grow. To me, it depends on how long they're gonna look presentable, because my nails have started to grow pretty quickly, and it's not so much that they peek through at the bottom, it's the tops for me that my nails start to show through. But I really like these. I wish they would come out with more. You guys can see it if it'll focus. More like this one, where it has like that clear bottom. I absolutely love the clear bottom. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I like the clear bottom better than like the little stickers, the other stickers. Like, oh, look at this pink clear bottom. That's actually my nail peeking through, and it's not like a peach or anything like that. I absolutely love those two. I mean, the solid ones are cool too, but I'm not a much fan of that sticker one. Anyways, let's get into the voiceover of how I apply the nail. Alright guys, again, here is the name of the nails, Girl Gang. And here I'm going to pull out the stickers to show you guys. I believe it comes with 2 under this first row here, and then there's only 1 sticker set for each. As you can see, there's the second row under there. I absolutely love the ones with the clear bottoms. I hope they make more of these in the future. Alright, so starting out, I am going to use the prep pad to remove any oils or contents that may be on my nails to help the nails stick. And I also push back my cuticles. This is sped up in case you guys are like, wow, how's she moving so fast? It's actually sped up. So then I'm gonna take the nail strips and kind of match it up to my fingernail size. And I also would suggest to make sure your hands are washed and that there's no oil on the back of your finger pads as well. So I just take the nail, match it up, take it off the strip there, and kind of roll it around to cover up my entire fingernail. And then I have this cool little technique that I think has been working pretty well, is I'll pinch it. I'm not doing it here, but I'm taking the fingernail file that comes in the kit with the nails, and you just kind of shape it around your nail and then file it off so that the back portion is removed. So and I just kind of slowly peel off the rest. But I'll show you my cool technique here shortly. And I just continue to rub around to make sure that the sticker stays flat and it isn't lifting on the edge. And again, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna show you how one of these look with the clear bottom. These are just so cool. And you just peel it off again, and you put it, line it up with your cuticle, and go just press around to get any air bubbles out. And I look to use, see, here's a cool little pinch method. I pinch a little bit, and then I push it back to the back of my finger, and then I'll file from there. To me, I found the pinching helps a little bit better than just going straight across and trying to cut it off. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking. I think I might show you one more nail, and then that'll be it. And here is the final product. Absolutely love these. These are super cute. Like I said, they should be on sale. If not, just try out any of the brand of the Dashing Diva nail strips. You won't regret it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial on how I decided to apply these Dashing Diva nails. If you haven't already, if you haven't seen it already, I have other Dashing Diva nail strips as well as press-ons and press-ons from other companies. Feel free to check those out, and I have beauty videos as well. I'll leave some of those right here. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.